Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video we're going to be talking about the upcoming Cardano smart tracks, the upcoming smart contracts for Cardano.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As you know, this is not financial advice. We'll be talking about the Cardano smart contracts that are coming out and why they are very important for the ecosystem.
So just looking at the Cardano charts, it's not been doing, it wasn't doing much last year, but this is when the smart track, so this is when the second stage here. This is when the Shelly was happened in July 2020. And as you can see, when this happened, it was a big pump straight after it happened. And right now, what's going on is it's going to be the smart contract. People are saying it should be released by August, October time. Um, so now would really be not financial advice, but now could be a really good time to buy if we're just looking at the history of what happened last time, and what these smart contracts are offering are really big. It's big news. So
Yep, and as you can also see, the market cap is $42 billion. Therefore, it would be difficult for it to actually double in price, because for it to double, it needs to reach double that, which is 84 billion. And for a coin like this, for it to reach $2 and maybe 64 cents, then it would take a lot of investors and a lot of money for it to actually do so. Therefore, if you're looking to make, quick money in such a way, then it would be more difficult to do it through Cardano than any other altcoin. But this is kind of like a safer investment compared to other altcoins out there, small market cap, and this is why it's kind of $42 billion. There's a lot of people invested into this.
yeah, it's definitely a long-term hold. This isn't a short-term hold. It's definitely a nice long-term hold.
We've previously gone through a video about Cardano before. However, we're going to be going through today with the smart contract. So what Cardano actually is, a brief explanation is trying to make the world better for everyone, and it is a blockchain, which is a platform for change makers. So it's for innovators and visionaries with the tools and technology required to create possibilities for many, as well as a few, and bring about positive global change. Okay, so you can go on the website and you can click on Discover Cardano, and it will tell you all about their journey, their roadmap, and everything that is good about it.
So as you can see, this is the Cardano roadmap. So we've already had stage one, we've had stage two last year in July 2020, and we're about to come on to the smart contracts for three. Um, so what this smart contract is going to allow us to do, it's going to allow people to create decentralized applications for Cardano. They're going to be on the Cardano Foundation. And when it's complete, it will allow users from technological or non-technological backgrounds, doesn't matter, so that's saying it's going to be very easy to do. Anyone's going to be able to create and execute smart contracts on the Cardano network.
So this is kind of unique to Cardano's ecosystem since there are not many cryptos that can actually do that. Therefore, for people that are interested in that kind of stuff and interested in actually building into cryptocurrency, then that is definitely something that you should be looking into because Cardano is unique and it is a Polkadot competitor, as you can see on a Coinmarketcap. Polkadot is also listed at around the same market cap as Cardano. As you know, the price is around like $20 right now, which it had a massive dip. But same with any other cryptocurrency. So, there are a lot of competitors with Cardano, but Cardano is definitely the most leading one at this minute. And it has been here for a while, making it more secure for investors as they're trying to look for something that can give them long-term. So this is definitely unique for Cardano, and because it has many competitors like Polkadot, as you may know, which is also has the same or similar market cap. However, it's listed at around, I think, $16 right now, which is still uh, the same market cap as Cardano, but for Cardano, it does bring more uniqueness compared to Polkadot. So in my opinion, if you're trying to invest into Cardano or Polkadot, in my opinion, and this is not financial advice, I would preferably go with Cardano since it has been here for a more longer time. And the Cardano ecosystem is very, very big and it incorporates DeFi as well. So decentralized finance is the way of the future. I can see it.
So once smart contracts done, we'll be going to the scaling phase, and then it'll be the governance. But as we've seen in the past, it takes a very, very long time to go on to the next stage, usually about a year plus. So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press this red subscribe button. It really helps us out. Thank you. Have a lovely rest of your day.